What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a code in the Epic Games Launcher, step by step. First, keep in mind that you only need to redeem codes for games or content purchased from third-party retailers. If you buy a game directly from the Epic Game Store, it automatically appears in your library and doesn't require a code. To get started, open the Epic Games Launcher on your PC and make sure you're logged in to the correct Epic Games account. Once the launcher is open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your Epic Games display name. This will open a small menu. From that menu, click Redeem Code. A new window will pop up asking you to enter your product code. Now, type in the 20-digit code exactly as it appears, including any dashes if they're included. Double-check the code for mistakes, then click Redeem. If the code is valid, the game or content will instantly be added to your Epic Games library, and you'll be able to download or access it right away. And that's it. That's how you redeem a code in the Epic Games Launcher quickly and easily. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.